Grandpa Elms was an old man. His hands knew the feel of earth. He lived in a small, simple house, and green things grew all around his home. The air was fresh and clean here, and sunlight dappled through the leaves. Birds sang their sweet songs daily. He was a part of this place, and this place was a part of him. His life was woven with nature, you see. His home was not just a house, it was the heart of his farm. Banana plants stood like gentle giants. Their broad leaves waved in the breeze, circling his home like a hug. Flowers bloomed in bright colours, and bees hummed their busy tunes nearby. The farm was alive with sound and sight. It was a happy, vibrant place, and Grandpa Elms felt content here. Grandpa Elms farmed in a smart way. He called it his circle of life. Everything on the farm worked together. Nothing was ever truly wasted. Each plant and animal had a role, helping each other to grow strong. This was an old way of farming, a way that respected the earth. Grandpa believed in this gentle method. It kept his small farm healthy. The banana plants were central to his farm. They were his pride and his joy. He grew many different kinds of bananas. Some were small and very sweet, while others were large, good for cooking. He tended them with loving care. He knew each plant like a child. Their health showed his good work, and their fruit was a sweet reward. Under the shade of the banana leaves, chickens roamed. They scratched the earth for tasty bugs, helping to keep pests away naturally. The chickens also gave him fresh eggs, and their droppings became food for the soil. This made the banana plants grow better. It was a perfect, simple system. Each part supported the other parts. Nature showed him the best way. Water was precious on the farm, so Grandpa Elms saved every drop he could. He collected rainwater in big barrels and used it carefully for his plants. The soil around the bananas was always moist. He covered it with dried leaves, keeping the water from drying up. The rich, dark earth smelled sweet. It was full of life and goodness. Grandpa Elms rose with the first light. The sun painted the sky with soft colours, and the birds greeted the new day. He would step outside his small home, breathing the cool morning air deeply. A smile would touch his lips. Another day had begun on his farm. He felt thankful for this simple life. He was ready for his gentle work. His first task was always the bananas. He walked slowly among the tall plants, checking their leaves for any troubles. He looked for new flowers, new fruit. He spoke to them in a soft voice, believing they understood his care. He would clear any weeds gently, making sure they had all they needed. His touch was light and knowing. Next, he would visit his happy chickens. They clucked a welcome when he came near. He scattered grain for them to eat, and they bustled around his feet eagerly. He would then collect the fresh eggs. Each egg was a small miracle. He thanked his chickens for their gifts, making sure their water was clean. They were important farm helpers. His small vegetable patch needed care too. It grew near the banana grove. He grew beans, spinach and sweet potatoes. These plants also benefited from the farm's cycle. He would weed and water them as needed, picking what was ripe for his meals. Eating food he grew himself was a joy. It tasted better than any other food. It was pure and good. Sometimes nature brought challenges. Strong winds could blow through the valley. These winds could tear the banana leaves, and this worried Grandpa Elms sometimes. The big leaves were important for the fruit. He had to find ways to protect them. He watched the patterns of the wind, learning from the land itself. To solve the problem of strong winds, he was clever. He planted a row of sturdy trees. These trees grew along the edge of his farm, acting like a natural wall. They slowed down the powerful gusts. The banana plants were safer behind them. This was an old way to protect crops. Grandpa Elms knew many such secrets. His wisdom came from years of listening. Pests sometimes came to visit his bananas. Small insects might try to eat the leaves, or they might try to spoil the fruit. Grandpa Elms did not like to use harsh sprays. He knew these could harm the good insects too. He wanted his farm to be a safe place, a place for all creatures, big and small. So he found natural, gentle solutions. He used simple things like neem oil. This oil came from a special tree. It kept many bad bugs away. He also encouraged friendly insects. Ladybugs ate the harmful aphids, and spiders caught flies in their webs. Nature itself provided the best defense. By working with nature, not against it, his farm thrived. His banana paradise was a testament to this harmony.